So let's go with the East Oak 31-gallon deck box. So you can get a better look at that material. It's got a very nice textured look to it. These pieces are labeled, so you can see that that says C, and we can faintly see that that says up, so we know that is the top. And I do appreciate we have clearly labeled instructions. First thing we're going to do is going to grab the two side panels, which are both labeled A, and attach that to B. So here's A, and I also appreciate we got foam in between each layer, so I don't have to worry about it getting scratched up. Here's our other A. This is the bottom, and that is the top. And we can see it says right here, this side faces inward. And that does come off. I got an A here. And it just clicks right in. I'll flip this up, and we're going to attach D. And then attach C. Then on the back we've got our hinge, and you can see if we just glide that in place, it is kind of tapered in, so we should just have to snap that in like that. And there we go. There is our deck box. We do have a lockable lid. There is also a little hole right here, so if you want to put a small padlock on there, you could do that. Yeah, looks good. So I am curious if that is going to be large enough to hold my swing cushions. Yeah, that is basically just perfect for it. Cool. So if you know it's going to be windy out and you want to worry about these things blowing away, that's going to be an excellent way of storing those and keeping them from getting wet. On top of that, we got these handles on the side. Makes that very easy to pick up, put everywhere you need, even have a place to put your drink. Overall, that is a very nice and good looking piece of storage.